Hello everyone, my name is Swati Pal and my team name is Team Rani Lakshmibai. My team members are Bhumi Katiyar, Nidhi. My school name is Maya Devi Inter College Saramira Shivaji Nagar Kannauj. We are proposing an innovative idea which is a vehicle accident alert device. As we see in road accident many times injured person lost his life because he did not get the help at that time. So we proposed a device which send emergency alert call and message to the nearest police station and his relatives. We make this device in very cheap prices so all Indians use it in our vehicle. This device consists GPS module for location tracking, GSM module for sending message and emergency call to her relatives and nearest police station. We use accelerometer sensor for detection of collision of vehicle. All these module controlled by microcontroller board name as Arduino UNO. Now we tell how our device work. Initialization. The system starts when the Arduino UNO is powered up, initializing all the connected modules. GPS module. The GPS module continuously captures the vehicle's location in terms of latitude and longitude. Accelerometer sensor. The accelerometer sensor continuously measures the vehicle's acceleration. The Arduino monitors this data to detect sudden changes. Normal operation. During normal operation, the Arduino regularly checks the accelerometer data. If the acceleration remains within the normal range, the system continues monitoring without triggering any alerts. Accident detection. If the accelerometer data indicates a sudden acceleration or deceleration beyond a predefined threshold, the system interprets this as a potential accident. The Arduino recognizes the abnormal acceleration and proceeds to trigger the emergency alert mechanism. Emergency alert activation. The Arduino activates the GSM module to send an emergency SMS to predefined contacts. Simultaneously, the system initiates a call to emergency services or predefined contacts using the GSM module. The SMS includes the current GPS coordinates obtained from the GPS module. SOS button activation. If the SOS button is pressed, it overrides the accelerometer-based accident detection. The Arduino immediately activates the GSM module for emergency calls and messages, providing the GPS coordinates. User feedback. LEDs or a display on the Arduino UNO can provide visual feedback on the system status. For example, a green LED may indicate normal operation, while a red LED may indicate an emergency alert. Reset mechanism. To prevent false alarms, a reset mechanism can be implemented. This could involve pressing the SOS button again or a separate reset button on the system. The reset mechanism acknowledges the false alarm and brings the system back to normal monitoring mode. Continuous monitoring. After an emergency alert or manual activation, the system resumes continuous monitoring, repeating the process. This comprehensive system ensures that accidents are automatically detected through accelerometer data, and emergency alerts are sent with precise GPS coordinates, providing quick response and assistance in critical situations. The manual SOS button serves as an additional layer of control for the user in emergency scenarios. Further, we explain sensor and module function and working. GPS module. Function. The GPS, Global Positioning System, module determines the precise geographic location of the vehicle using signals from satellites. Working. The module communicates with satellites to receive location data in terms of latitude and longitude. This data is then processed by the Arduino to track the vehicle's position. GSM module. Function. The GSM, Global System for Mobile Communications, module enables communication over the cellular network, allowing the system to make emergency calls and send SMS messages. Working. The module interfaces with the Arduino to initiate calls and send messages. It typically requires a SIM card to establish a connection with the cellular network. Accelerometer sensor. Function. The accelerometer measures the rate of change of velocity of the vehicle, detecting acceleration or deceleration events. Working. The accelerometer provides data to the Arduino, which monitors for sudden changes. The system sets a threshold, and if the measured acceleration exceeds this threshold, the Arduino interprets it as a potential accident. SOS button. Function. The SOS button serves as a manual override for emergency situations, allowing the driver or passengers to trigger an alert. Working. When pressed, the button signals the Arduino to activate the emergency alert mechanism. It can be useful in scenarios where the accelerometer-based system may not capture specific emergencies. Arduino UNO. Function. The Arduino UNO is the microcontroller that acts as the central processing unit, coordinating the various components in the system. Working. The Arduino reads data from the GPS module, accelerometer, and SOS button. It processes this information, triggers emergency alerts based on predefined conditions, and controls the communication with the GSM module.